Hi, I'm Chef Tish Tansil, and I would like to welcome you to my new place. It's not too fancy right now because I'm buying a blighted building from the city of Detroit. I'm trying to put back into my community. What I'm trying to do is I'm going to take this building, this lot, and that lot and convert it to a Metro Detroit marketplace called the URBANesque Marketplace. I'm going to have cooking, I'm going to have demonstrations. This wonderful lot is going to be for food trucks and vendors, and that area back there is going to be a garden space, a garden where we're going to grow our own vegetables, and we're going to have events and cookouts. So it's going to be quite a wonderful experience for the northwest side of Detroit where we haven't had this before. So we're going to be servicing the community. This area is called Brightmoor. Rosedale Park is right down the street. Dearborn Heights is right across Telegraph, and Redford is right down the street as well. So we have a wonderful surrounding community that's going to pull in customers from all over. I hope that you like my plan, and I hope that you contribute. Thank you. I'm Chef Tish.